Okay, for the soft squares Advent box, here's number 1. And it was in a pretty packaging, and it comes with a note. This is a must-have. No, this is day 2. Hold on. Here we go. Number 1. It comes in a package, and it's a big container of looks like patterns. And the first one is a little pumpkin one. I can't wait to do that next year. That's gonna be so cute. Let's do this little tiny package first. Wow. Oh, a Lori Holt. Bee in my bonnet stuff. It looks like tags. I can organize my modular basket modular thing with all the baskets in it that come out with the handles. Perfect for organizing those. Really cute sticker. Really cute. And her business card and a thank you. How nice. And let's see. We have a Casey quick cases for making a case to put your scissors or your rotary cutter in case you need to, take it with you to your daughter's house for a vacation so you can play with your quilting. And then that's what I do, So here is that little scrappy mini quilt. Darn cute little thing. And then look here. Oh boy. I'm a nurse in another life, so this is perfect. The heartbeat with quilting. And then here is a pattern from, it's called Presley's Dream, and it's about the same pattern that I almost just bought. So this is perfect. It says it's made with a Lemoyne broken chain. It says it's made with a Lemoyne star and a broken chain block. Ohio star block and the Lemoyne frayed chain. Now that's interesting because the chain is not complete. It has a missing part to it. That's interesting. I like that. Definitely a make. Now let's look at the rest of these exciting ones. Cut Loose Press. And this is a, is that the churn dash? I don't recognize it always, but that looks good. And then this one's called 369. I think I made a quilt like that for my buddy Annette in purples and glittery things. It was gorgeous. This will be fun too. Trendy Tote. I think we were making those at our Quilter Girl gatherings on Tuesday mornings. That's a potential. Trendy Tote. I think this one's my favorite. Cherokee Star. Doesn't that look interesting? 70 by 70. Definitely a do. Here is called a Keystone Table Runner. Looks like could be fat quarter friendly because each of the squares are different color groupings. Now this one looks like fun. This is called Winter Wonderland. So that'd be a nice wall hanging with trees. Not too difficult. We could whip that out here in a couple days. And this looks like perfect thing for a picnic with the grandkids. Last summer we took a blanket, went to the park, and did just what they do in books. We had arts and crafts and a park structure for the kids to crawl on. And so this would have been great. This is a placemat with a pocket to put the utensils in. That'd be fun. We'll definitely make that. I can see that I'm going to be busy through all of January and December, of course. So these are all goodies, and they're going to go back into their bags. Now let's go to day 2, because that's the first paper that I held up. Day 2. It's a day 2. Oh, I know what it was. Just a minute. This is fabulous. It was in a box, of course. Day 2. It's a substantial item. Look, it goes around. You know, I just bought an inexpensive one of these and it didn't go around very well and it sort of slid around on my table. Look at this. This has got a grippy back. It's a Riley Blake product. Non-slip back for stable and safe cutting, and perfect for squaring up all those odd little shapes that turn out when I make squares and half square triangles. They need a lot of shaping up, so this will be perfect. This is great. Now the next 2 were, I'll show you. They came prettily wrapped, but they came in these nice containers, and they have thread and thread holders. So that was my day 3 and 4. And these are nice thread. I think these are, well, I can't read it without my glasses. Just a minute. Made in Germany. Is that Gutermann? Yes, it is. Gutermann thread. Very good stuff. And these are going to be used. She says these are all part of a future project, and you'll see that next. So that we're on day 2, 3, 4. Now we're on 5. It was this big thing, all beautifully wrapped. Of course, I ripped that off immediately. Let's look at this. It's a project. Isn't it? It's a full-on organizational project box, plus everything we need for the project at hand. So it's called Wonky House Christmas Mini Quilt Pattern. I think that's cute. And it has these little wonky houses on it. You can see they're sort of on hills, sort of like a Christmas card. And she has directions inside. And she's put in embellishments. These can be little trees, you know. And this beautiful thread magnetic spool pin holder. It must have magnet inside the spool, but it looks like a spool of thread. That'll be beautiful. And it has all the fabrics for this project of the little wonky houses. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Here's the blue background. Here's the fleece and the interfacing. Everything we need. And then look what she's included. Glue, a little light system for twinkle stars, and then these are some pre-cut, gorgeous, shiny stars to put on that night sky. It's gonna be great. Okay, so that's day 1 through 5. They went quickly, and I can't wait to open one more tomorrow. We'll see. Have a good day. Happy holidays.